Hey, I'm Cole, I make over and restore furniture. In this quick video, I'm going to show you a really easy way that you can bring some life back into your tired coffee table or dining table with just 2 products, minimal effort and pretty epic results. Let's jump into it. I have this coffee table that has had its original finish removed, so it's looking very thirsty, tired, and the grain isn't showing off like it could be. If your furniture still has its original finish and just needs a refresh, you can skip this first step. This step is for bare wood only. Make sure you have a clean surface before you begin applying your product. To kick off this refinish, I'm going to start with some hard wax oil. This will rejuvenate the wood, creating a water-resistant, smooth and durable surface. It will also begin to help the grain pop. I use an open weave cloth to apply the hard wax oil. I'm applying it sparingly as a little goes a long way, but you can wipe off any excess if you feel you've applied too much. You want to work in the direction of the grain and ideally let this dry overnight. You can now see the oil is dry, but the wood isn't looking as sharp as I would like. It appears dull in places and doesn't have an even tone. I could apply another layer of hard wax oil at this point. That would certainly make a difference, but my preference is to now apply a premium beeswax. There are many great waxes on the market. This particular wax is a brand that I know and trust, made by professional restorers in the industry. This one is tinted. It does look very dark in the jar, but when applied the tint is ever so slight. It comes in clear and also a rose gold. I use a very soft fine steel wool to apply the wax. It really helps to penetrate the wood and leave it very smooth. I then use an open weave cloth to buff it to a smooth satin finish. In my opinion, beeswax is the most effective when used on top of another finish. It creates a protective layer that shields the wood from moisture, temperature and wear and tear. And depending on the amount of use your surface gets, you can of course apply more as the years go on when your furniture needs a polish. You can also use these products on many timber furnishings around the home or on your other furniture flipping projects, making this a very cost-effective investment. So here you can see where we started with the bare wood, and then after one coat of hard wax oil, and finally we've got the end result. Not bad for realistically about 20 minutes of physical work. I will leave a link to these products in the video description. Please be sure to subscribe for more tips, reviews, and anything to do with flipping furniture for a profit. You can see my full restorations and makeovers on Flip It Nation. Otherwise, until next time, take it easy.